Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, this is the reading for you, January weekly, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. Page of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. Judgment under the deck. Definitely I think you are going to make some decisions in your life, and this could be a major decision. I think for some it could be your person is going to be make some major decision. 1 minute, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, some major decisions. I think this is the decision time for you, Leo. So let's see your reading, your recent past, Wheel of Fortune, Five of Swords, and the Sun. I think things are turning out in your favor in recent past. Yeah, the Sun, definitely there are some positive changes are coming in your life. Five of Swords. I think there are some misunderstandings between you and your person, but those are resolved. Those were resolved between you and your person, what I'm saying. Very few, there are some misunderstandings due to the children's also involved in this connection. Maybe there could be third party situation. Very few. Okay, take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what is going between you and your person. Page of Swords, Page of Pentacles, and Queen of Pentacles. I'm seeing that someone is spying on you on social media. Someone want to test the waters. Someone want to send message to you, and you are very caring and sharing person, what I'm seeing here, but you are holding back this time. Something is happening between you and your person, because Queen of Pentacles, you are holding back, what I'm saying, because in near future the Five of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Two of Wands, I think there is separation between you and your person. Maybe your person not treating you well. And Six of Swords, definitely this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Two of Wands, yeah, you are thinking about something a lot, and this is the decision time also. Judgment is here. Yeah, I think for some you decided to move on from this person because Six of Swords energy, because there is no equal give and take. Maybe that for some it could be third party situation. For some, you only the person always investing in this connection, because your person may be in and out of your life, that causing so much insecurity and resistance in the connection, what I'm seeing here. Yeah, you are thinking about something a lot. Yeah, I think, yeah, your person may be showing you showing some cold shouldering to you. This is not you didn't like this, that's why you decided to move on. You have to stand by your power. Yeah, that's why you are holding back, but some messages coming in your way. They want to send some message, some communication. They trying to fix the things between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire sign. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Leo, first we will see your person current feelings. Lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy. Under the deck, Nine of Wands. I think your person may be sneaky. Definitely they did something wrong to you. That's why you are moving on from this person. Lot of readings got same message, moving on, moving on. I don't know why I am getting the same message. Ten of Swords and Ace of Swords. I think they want to speak some truth to you. Definitely they in past maybe they lied to you, maybe they cheated on you, and but they want one chance to speak with you. Ace of Swords, they want to communicate, they want to express their true feelings, because here the communication, and they want rebirth in this connection, because Ten of Swords is not always mean ending. They want rebirth, they want one chance, because they want another chance. And Ace of Swords, yeah, they want to express their true feelings. Yeah, I think they are accepting that they did something wrong to you, what I'm getting here. So let's see, but you are guarded up. Then near future actions towards you, Leo. Your person near future actions towards you. Maybe in past they didn't treat you well, because you deserve best. Everyone deserve best. Again, 9 of Wands. Yeah, they won't give up on you until you give second chance to them, Leo. And 9 of Wands, definitely 7 of Wands. Under the deck, the Devil. They are obsessed with you, Leo. Yeah, your person is obsessed with you. They are obsessively thinking about you. Yeah, 2 of Cups is here. Maybe you both could be twin flames or soulmates. Now they are feeling this energy, this love with you after separation, after you decided to move on. But they won't give up on you. They will try until you give another chance to them, what I'm getting here. Because 7 of Wands with 9 of Wands, they won't give up on you. Because now they are feeling. In past, you are feeling this with your person. Now they are feeling with you. Yeah, they won't give up on you. Yeah, they want second chance. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see. See, 6 of Cups, definitely they want reconciliation, guys. 2 of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot. I think you both are thinking about each other a lot. You also got same card with 2 of Wands. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They are coming back. But the Moon card is here. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. I think here 2 cards. See, Temperance and Pisces. I think you achieved patience. You are in balance. I think, yeah, you are in your balance, you are in control, you are very grounded, Leo. But they are coming back. They want to fix the things between both of you, because the Moon card, there are some secrets hidden in this connection. Definitely they are thinking about you a lot. They want second chance. Yeah, they are obsessed with you. They are wanting second chance, but it's up to you to give another chance or is not, because you decided to move on. For some, if you are really waiting for your person to come back, definitely they want reconciliation. They won't give up on you because they obsessively thinking about you. Yeah, under the deck, Page of Wands, definitely some communication. You will receive some message from your person, and yeah, they have emotions for you. Definitely they want to come back. Definitely they are coming back, Leo. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Leo. The person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, King of Cups, Queen of Cups. Yeah, I think you both are very emotional couple, what I'm getting here, because King of Cups and Queen of Cups is here. Definitely, I think some new person is also entering in your life. For some, definitely you have options. 2 of Wands is definitely you have options. Queen of Cups and the King of Cups. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you coming back. And Ace of Pentacles, you are having financial stability and relationship stability too. Definitely they are coming back with a stable offer. And Knight of Pentacles, yeah, this time they want to be sincere with you. They want to be honest with you. One is past person, another could be new person. Definitely 2 persons are coming towards you. Let's see your person overall energy for the week, Leo. Yeah, 3 of Wands, Queen of Swords, 8 of Wands, Knight of Swords. Yeah, they're rushing towards you and they want to communicate their feelings, definitely, because lot of cards regarding communication. I think communication is the key here. They want to express their feelings. I think some changes are coming in this relationship. Queen of Swords, this time they want to be honest with you. They want to be very straightforward. I think in past maybe your person not expressing their feelings to you, but now they want to express. 3 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. I think one person turned their back from the other person. I think if this is your person, maybe in past they walked away from you. Now they are feeling regret. They are wanting second chance. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Leo. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. Yeah, if you want to achieve anything in your life, but you are having hard time to trust that dream, but don't give up, because have faith in your dreams. Definitely your dreams will come true. Please be consistent in your goals and dreams. Definitely they will they will be true. Okay, because this is the message from universe. Have faith in your dreams. So Leo, definitely have faith in your dreams. Be consistent towards your goals. You will get success. So this is the messages for you. Leo, hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.